अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, आज हम रिएक्शन देने जा रहे हैं करतारपुर कॉरिडोर पे, जो 2019 में इमरान खान ने इसका इफ्तिताह किया था, जो एक अच्छा स्टेप है दोनों कंट्रीज के बीच में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Sat Shri Akal or Assalamu Alaikum Dosto.
वालेकुम
Today
अस्सलाम।
I'm sending my wife across the border to Pakistan. This is not a joke, I'm not kidding. Have you told your parents that I'm doing this, that you're going?
Yeah, they know.
Okay, so tell us, how are we getting there, Manu?
So we are going to use the Kartarpur corridor that Pakistan has recently opened for the Indian pilgrims. And when I say we, I mean us, because Carl ain't going nowhere.
This is not fair. So foreigners aren't allowed to use the Kartarpur corridor. So that's why I'm sending you basically. Nah. So chalo, take us to Pakistan now.
Let's go.
I'm not allowed to go any further.
No, you're not.
Alright, see you,
Sad.
Manu. Have fun.
Bye.
And don't say namaste like I did at the border.
No,
Say
I
assalamu alaikum.
Bye. So we're now gonna go through the terminal building. It's huge.
It's not so much restricted. Even हम पाकिस्तानी भी कभी कभार
Now these are the entry gates. So the security check has been done. And now we're heading towards the immigration, so I might have to turn off my camera again. See you in a while. So the security check is done, the immigration is done, and I was actually given polio drops here, which I hadn't expected at all. I am very excited and also a little emotional at the same time. चाहे सिर्फ border पार करके थोड़ी दूर होकर आना है, but I have butterflies in my stomach right now.
कंफ्यूजन होती है कि
एक्साइटमेंट बहुत होती
तो तुमने पहले देख ली? मैंने पूरी Bye.
Okay, so Manu has gone now. First,
अच्छा,
he's going to
मैंने
go
note
through
ये
Indian
किया
immigration, which is in this
border
massive
line,
building behind us,
white or black.
blocked off so you can't
हाँ,
see
ये
it.
से
Then a
पाकिस्तान
bus is
में
going to take you to the
yellow-
zero point, to the border. Then she's going to go through Pakistani immigration. And then another bus on the Pakistan side is going to take her
वो
to
भी इंडिया ही है।
Kartarpur Sahib.
वो
अभी पाकिस्तान वहाँ से
है। उस साइड पे येलो है,
येलो येलो और ब्लैक
सही बात।
मैंने नोट की थी कितना क्लियर डिफरेंस पता चल रहा है ना रोड का कि इंडिया और पाकिस्तान
ये मिसाल इतना कम फासले के बाद आप
अच्छा व्हीलचेयर्स वगैरह भी रखे हुए हैं।
अच्छी बात
फॉर
है
डिसेबल्स
अच्छी इलेक्ट्रिक बसेस जो आपको
We are now going to enter Pakistan. I am in Pakistan now, and the e-rickshaws, they drop you here at this point, and it's here that you can get your currency converted, because you need to have US dollars to pay the Pakistani government. There's a $20 fee that you need to pay. And a lot of people actually were talking about the fee, but I feel it's completely justified because this infrastructure is solely meant for Indians, right? Why should the Pakistanis pay for it? So yeah, I'm here and I'm going to get the currency converted. But I suggest you get the currency converted from outside and get US dollars from outside because it's a little expensive here. I don't know if it's the fee or it's the currency exchange rate. So at the currency conversion counter, I got some dollars and I got some Pakistani currency. And I used the dollars to get a coupon, which looks like this. So this is what you get after paying that $20 fee. Actually, I just realized I am a Hindu, married to a Christian, visiting a gurudwara in a Muslim country. इससे ज़्यादा secular क्या होगा?
डायलॉग मुझे लग रहा है।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
चार चार
थैंक यू आपने ओपन किया करतारपुर कॉरिडोर हमारे लिए।
क्यों नहीं
और
ये
बहुत
आप
सुंदर
हमारे लिए-
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाया आपने।
जी 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 ठीक बिल्कुल
Thank
ये बस
you.
हमने आपके लिए किया है तो ये होना चाहिए ऐसा।
होना चाहिए ना?
हाँ तो आपने कैसा फील किया ये?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं तो पहली बार ही आई हूँ पाकिस्तान।
अच्छा
मैं पहली बार ही बॉर्डर क्रॉस किया, देखा तो था
वेलकम
पहले।
वेलकम करते हैं जी
थैंक
आपको,
यू
वेलकम
थैंक
करते
यू
हैं। तो हम पाकिस्तानी जो है ना आपके लिए जो है ना ये सारे लोग हमारे मौजूद हैं यहाँ
थैंक
पर।
यू सो मच
हाँ।
थैंक यू।
अच्छा,
So I have cleared the Pakistan side's immigration now, and now we are going to head towards the Gurudwara in
मैंने वही बोला ना
this
वो
bus.
अच्छे हैं बस गवर्नमेंट
हमें असल में चांस ही नहीं मिला एक दूसरे को अच्छी तरह से जानने के लिए।
बड़े मजे का पुल करतारपुर उसके लिहाज
ग्रीनरी
ये
बहुत प्यारी
जो
है।
रोड के बीच में लाइन लगाती है ना, बड़ी प्यारी लगती
हाँ,
है ना।
डिवाइडर
अगर रोड पे लाइन ना हो तो बड़ी अजीब सी लगती
अजीब
है
सी
रोड।
चीज़।
और ये बहुत कम टाइम में बनाया गया था, मैंने
हाँ।
सुना था।
और यार इसका राज देखो कि बहुत बड़ा बिल्डिंग
बहुत
है।
बड़ा है।
आई थिंक
और मैंने एक जगह ये भी पढ़ा था कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा,
अच्छा
यानी कि जो सिख जो
Wow, look
तो
at
ये तो इनके लिए
that.
बहुत वो
It's so
हो गया, बड़ी
white and beautiful. Now, before you enter the Gurudwara, make sure you must wash your hands and feet and face. And that is why they have a well in this Gurudwara. It's so cool. I've never seen this in any of the other Gurudwaras that I've been to. So the water comes out of the well through that machine and then comes out to these staircases where you can wash your feet and hands. And this is one of the coolest things I've seen in a Gurudwara. This Gurudwara has this nice circular staircase which you can climb and come to the rooftop. Just check out how white, bright, clean and peaceful this place is. And I was actually very impressed with the Pakistani music earlier, but now I'm also impressed by their cleanliness and how polite the people are.
मुझे मैं हमेशा बचपन से वो ख्वाहिश कि मैं कभी यहाँ पे जाऊँ ये सब कुछ देखूँ
अभी यार ये पता नहीं कि साल सामने ये यार कुछ आते हैं पाकिस्तान से भी जाते हैं इंडिया से जाते हैं।
This Gurudwara is the second most important site for the Sikhs.
यार हमें कमेंट में बताइए कि
This was
इंडिया
where
से इंसान
Guru
अगर कोई
Nanak
सिर्फ
spent
इस
the final
जगह
years
को
of his
विजिट
life.
करना चाहता हो, मुस्लिम हो,
And he also died
फॉरेनर
here.
नहीं हो, जिस तरह की
And the first most important place actually is also
अगर
in
आप पाकिस्तान से
Pakistan,
शायद हम
Nangana
चले
side.
जाए हमें
And
छोड़ेंगे
that was where he
पाकिस्तान
was
से तो
born.
ये तो
Actually,
फिर
I've heard a
हम
lot of
इंसान
people
लोग
calling
देखेंगे,
Pakistan
पता
Pakistan.
करवाना पड़ेगा। इंडिया से
It's
मिसाल अगर किसी
Pakistan.
क्रिश्चियन
And
ने
it's
मिसाल
Sikh,
या
it's not
मुस्लिम
Sikh.
ने विजिट करना हो तो
Sikh
आप
होता है,
लोग कमेंट में
Sikh.
जरूर बताइए कि
Sikh
क्या
तो
है।
कबाब
वो
होता है.
अलाउ
क्या
है।
अलाउ
ये ना अलाउ है।
सारे मिसाल
ये
ये
खुद
बहुत
ही
अच्छी
किया
बात
है
है
ना,
क्योंकि
ये
यार
तो-
ये
Most of the
अरे,
Gurudwaras
बहुत
will
very
find
जगह है,
a
everyone
water body
like
like
it.
this where people can come and bathe, and this Gurudwara has a beautiful one, and there's a partition in between actually. There's a separate section for males which is on the other side, and this is the female one. And usually you can't film inside because people are usually bathing here, but since there's no one here right now,
मुझे नहीं पता कि
we got the opportunity.
ये Sikh
One thing I love about Sikhism is its belief in service. It believes service to mankind is service to
वाइट
God.
टाइल्स को साफ रखना,
And that is why it feeds people twice a day. There's langar where anyone and everyone can come and eat together, no
Wow.
matter which religion you're from.
Nice.
And you can come take shelter in a Gurudwara if you want to. And you can also volunteer for work. You can clean, you can cook, do any kind of job. So we're now going to the langar hall where everyone sits together and eats. All these dishes are for the langar and they're all brand new. The kitchen of the Gurudwara, and this is where they're preparing all the food. And actually anybody could volunteer to cook here. Let's see what they're making. They're cooking in these big handis and patilas. So if you like to volunteer to work at a Gurudwara,
यार खाना
this
पीने
is
की
where you can do the
टाइम
dishes, and that is the area where you can cook for people. I don't know what they're cooking, but it smells amazing. We are back at the langar hall, and the langar has started.
आप ये अपनी कमेंट्स पर बता दीजिए
Serve you from these buckets. So I just had langar and the food was amazing. And this is what I was talking about, right? These Gurudwaras are feeding people twice a day, every single day. And it's commendable what they're doing because the government couldn't do this in spite of the fact that they have taxes and all the funds. So it's really, I really appreciate and I really like this one thing about Gurudwaras, this concept of service. और वहाँ से लोग गुरुद्वारे के दर्शन करते हैं जो यहाँ पर नहीं आ पाते। और यही रीज़न है कि अभी भी यहाँ पर कोई वॉल नहीं बनाई गई है इस वाली साइड पर, ताकि लोग अभी भी दर्शन कर सके वहाँ से। अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाईजान।
क्या हाल है? ठीक
बढ़िया, आप किधर से हैं?
मैं इधर से हूँ, सियालकोट से।
रानाकोट से। और आप?
मेरा नाम यासर है, मैं भी सियालकोट का रहने वाला हूँ।
अच्छा, हाँ, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आके। और आपने ये सारा, मैंने सुना है 1 साल से भी कम में बनाया ये पूरा ना?
10 मंथ में बना तकरीबन।
10 मंथ्स में पूरा टर्मिनल भी और ये भी सब कुछ।
ये वीरान इलाका था,
अरे यार,
बंजर था ये।
बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया आपने और थैंक यू सो मच इसको खोलने के लिए हमारे
ये
लिए।
लाइफ टाइम अब जब कब महीने में 2 दफ़ा, 3 दफ़ा, 4 दफ़ा।
Thank you. So now we're heading towards a complex that has these souvenirs or other things you can buy from these stalls. This is the complex that I was talking about. They have these different stalls where you can go eat and buy juttis and clothes and all sorts of stuff. Guys, there's a bad news. There's no kada prasad here, but I'm glad I had langar and the food was so good. And now it's time to go back to India and leave Pakistan and this Gurudwara. Definitely coming back. This trip has made me feel like I should come back and visit other cities of Pakistan as well, including Lahore and Islamabad and Karachi. And yeah, the people are just so nice and polite.
Now, if you're like me and you can't cross the border, you can come and actually see the border. The border is literally a couple of meters from here. There's a lookout point, and you can see across into Pakistan, and you can see not the Gurudwara, but you can see the immigration checkpoint that Pakistan has built there. A bus will go from that checkpoint and take people further to the Gurudwara. It's about 4 kilometers from here to Kartarpur Sahib. Manu is coming back right now. Here she is.
आप लोगों ने
How are you, babe?
कि मिसाल
All good?
फॉरेनर्स की अलाउड नहीं है।
Oh no, it was painful. I had to wait here for like 6 hours. Finally back. Let's ask you some questions there. How was Pakistan? How was your experience? No?
Pakistan was really, really nice. It's so clean and the people are so nice and polite. And being a Haryanvi, I'm not even used to that, but they were such nice, polite and soft-spoken gentlemen.
And how is it different from India? Any big things you noticed?
The cleanliness was definitely a big thing. And the language, the politeness, the mannerism, the tehzeeb, we call it that. Tehzeeb. That was different.
Even I noticed the cleanliness when I was in
Did you?
Pakistan.
It was so, even though I just crossed the border, but I can feel the difference. Like there's kachra everywhere here, but it's super clean there. You'll notice it.
You're right about that.
Everything,
totally right.
the dishes, even the dishes were brand new, but like everything, the ground and everything, the
It's
river.
just the streets are clean and there's no stray animals, right?
Yeah.
And now, so a lot of haters are going to be on this video. Whenever I make a video about Pakistan,
Yeah.
I get these crazy people commenting.
They'll
What's
be-
your advice to your fellow Indians who are going to comment this crazy stuff?
Well, there's no advice to the crazy ones. They're going to be crazy, whatever you say. So it's okay. I'll let them be crazy. But to the sensible people, I'll tell them the people in the Pakistan are really nice, really, really nice, and don't listen to media and politicians and use your own mind.
So true, babe. So true. And so in Pakistan, were they curious about you as an Indian?
Yes, one of the guys was like, "So what do they say about us in India?" And I was like, "There's different
This is the question
versions.
everyone
The
want to ask.
media definitely say something else, but I am not going to say anything bad about you guys just because you've been so nice to me. They told me I could come any number of times. I could come twice a month, twice a week. It was all up to me, and they would welcome me every single time."
Now, if you guys want all the information on exactly the process to visit the Kartarpur corridor, I have put a link in the description to my blog. Go and click that. It has every single detail you could ever want and just everything you need to know to get here, okay? The government website does not tell you everything that I'm telling you in that blog post. So go and check that out. And of course, if you love the work I do, hit that join button, become a channel member and get a bunch of exclusive member-only benefits. Jai Hind, and lots of love to Pakistan. I will be returning.
वीडियोस को लाइक करें
और जो हमारा बेल आइकॉन है उसको दबा दें। तो कैसा लगा तुम लोगों को करना?
यार एक अच्छा स्टेप था जो दोनों कंट्रीज में। मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा कि वहाँ के हमारे लोगों ने इतना वेलकम किया, इन वार्म वेलकम के लिए था, तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। और इससे फ्री है
और
और दोनों
यार
कलेक्शंस
जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी ज़्यादा आती हैं और टूरिज्म बढ़ता है। और सबसे बड़ी बात, इंडिया पाकिस्तान के बीच में रिलेशन है, पाकिस्तान चाहता है कि वो बेहतर हो, यानी कि इंडिया भी चाह रहा है, लेकिन इस तरह के अगर कॉरिडोर और इस तरह के यानी कि टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स इंडिया में और हम इंडिया जा सके, कितना मज़ा है।
और ये चीज़ है कि फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे जो लोग हैं इंडिया में भी रहते हैं और पाकिस्तान भी रहते हैं, उन लोगों के बीच में कुछ इस तरह है नहीं कि वो एक साथ मिल सके, दूसरे से बात कर सके, तो इससे रिलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा
और मैंने
होता है।
ये बात देखी जो यानी कि मैंने एक दफ़ा ये सुना था कि एक इंडियन ब्लॉगर जो पाकिस्तान आना चाहता था एज अ मीटअप, तो वो समझ नहीं आ रहा था उसको, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान और इंडिया जाना इतना कोई आसान काम नहीं है। तो वो इधर आ गया और उसने करतारपुर में भी अपनी यानी कि फेस दिखाई, और वो इतना बड़ा है करतारपुर के अगर 200-300 बंदे भी एक साथ खड़े हो तो वैसा लगेगा जैसे 5-6 लोग खड़े हैं, कोई इतना ज़्यादा फर्क भी नहीं पता चलता। तो ये भी यानी कि एक अच्छा स्पोर्ट है कि हम
मीटअप के लिए भी अच्छा है।
मिल सकते हैं, एक दूसरे से जान सकते हैं एक दूसरे को कि इंडिया के लोग कैसे हैं, पाकिस्तान के लोग कैसे हैं। वीडियोस में तो देख लेते हैं बंदा, लेकिन जो रियल लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस होता है वो
रियलिटी में हम
अलग है।
एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर पाते ये
तो आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, तो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।